Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Archana Sharma and today we'll be learning few other tricks of Vedic mathematics. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so that you can follow my videos and learn maths so that you can solve all these problems in your competitive exams very well, not only in competitive but also in your daily classes. So today our topic will be multiplication by 9. Here we will be having two types. So first I will explain you type 1. In type 1 there is not a lot of difference in type 1 and type 2, but I will explain you with an example. So I want to multiply, like it's not a single line but series of 9s. You can imagine it as series of 9s. So the thing is, let's see an example. I want to multiply 2, 4, 5 into 9, 9 and 9. So I can have any number of 9s here, but you can observe one thing, that the number of digits in the given number and number of digits in our 9, like number of 9s in our number are equal. So if I call this as A and if I call this as B, number of digits in A is equal to number of digits in B. So this is my type 1. I can categorize this as type 1. Now let's see how to multiply the numbers using this type 1 method. Simply always remember that this number, whichever you have other than 9s, just subtract a 1 from it. So it becomes 245. What does it become after subtracting 1? 244. So this is our number after subtracting 1. This is first part. So write 244 as it is, and what do you do is, you have 3 9s. So simply write this here so that you can use this for your further process. So what do I do is, I got a 244 because I subtracted 1 from this. Now what do I do is, what is 9 minus 2? 7. So write it here. Again 9 minus 4. Subtract these 3 digits from these 9s. So whatever value you get, simply write this. I will write downwards, then we will combine the answer. So what do you get? 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. Again 9 minus 4 is 5. So just combine both of these. 2, 4, 4, 7, 5, 5. That's it, friend. This is the answer for this problem. So I'll explain you with another example. So moving on to the next problem, I want to multiply 5642 into 9999. So this is also type 1 because the number of digits in this number are equal to number of digits in this number. So what do I do? My first step is simply subtract 1 from this number, 5641. The next step is, I will subtract 564 from 1, 9999. What do I get? 5 always subtract from greater to smaller. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 1 is 8. So simply combine these two. First write the first part, then the second part. The answer is 56414358. So this is the answer for the problem. So the next problem is, here we have 5 digits in both of our numbers. So this is considered as type 1. So what is the number? 71496 into 99999. So what do I do? My first step would be subtracting 1 from the number which is other than 9 series. So the answer is 71495. Now what do I do? I will just subtract 71495 from 9999. What do I get in the next step? I get 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So simply in the third step I will combine this. It becomes 7149528 504. So we got this number. So whenever I multiply 71496 into 9999 and 9, I get 71495 28504. So this is my answer for this problem. So you don't have to do all these steps, because as this is the first tutorial, I am explaining you stepwise, but whenever you got habituated to these methods, you will simply get it by seeing. So what do you do whenever you are given something like this? What do you do? Simply subtract 1 from the number and write it here. So till here you will get the answer 71495 after subtracting 1 from this. So now the next step is subtracting this number from all 9s. So first is 9 minus 7, you will get a 2. Then subtract 9 minus 1, you will get 8. Then subtract 9 minus 4, you will get a 5. 9 minus 9, you will get 0, and 9 minus 5, you will get a 4. So this is the way you solve this problem. Simply and very easy. It won't even take you few seconds to solve the problems. You can simply solve in 2 to 3 seconds actually, if you practice it very well. Now moving on to the type 2 problems. The type 2 problem is, here you observed a technique that in these problems you are having the number of digits in both the numbers are same, like the number of series of 9s and the given number. All the digits in both these numbers are same, but always you won't be having in this way, right? So to solve such problems, we'll move on to type 2. It is also in multiplications of 9s itself. So in type 2, what do we have? We have different digits in these numbers, like the number of digits in, I'll give an example and explain you so that you'll get it very clearly. Suppose I have 45 and 999. So here I am having 2 digits, here I am having 3 digits. So the number of digits in this and this are not same. Suppose I call this as A and I call this as B. So number of digits in A are not equal to number of digits in B. That means we can't apply the previous method, but this method is very similar and very easy to understand. Simply how to make this number as 3 digits, because you can't reduce this number to 2. So we will try to increment this number to 3 digits. So what do you write? How can you increment 45 to 3 digits? Simply add a 0 in front. So this becomes a 3 digit number. That's it, friends. Now again apply the same method. What do you do? Subtract a 1 from it. In the first step the answer will be 044. Right? In the second step, what do you do? Subtract 044 from 999. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Again 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer for, so you get a 044 and 955 after combining these two steps. So this is nothing but 44955. So this is also similar, just adding a 0 will make a difference. This is not like you can't specifically consider this as type 2, but okay, this is something different from that. Here the digits are different, so you can add it and check it yourself. Please try these problems. I'll explain one more example, and now you will be telling me if they are type 1 or type 2, and you will be solving. Please do solve on your own so that you will also practice it along with me. 548 into, suppose I have 5 9s. So here we are having 3 digits, here we are having 5 digits. So if we need to make this 3 as 5, because we can't make 5 as 3 in max. Every reduction of every number changes the value, but when we add zeros and increment this number, it won't be changing its value. So what do? I'll convert it into 5 digits by adding 2 zeros. So basically there is no compulsion that you will be adding a single zero. You can add multiple zeros depending on the given number of 9 series. So I'll add 2 zeros to make it 5 digit. Again I multiply it with 5 9s, 999. So now what do we do? First step is subtracting 1 from this, which would give me 4 7. So don't forget to write these 2 digits in this step, friends, because if you don't write it, whenever you subtract the values, these digit won't be there and you'll simply write 9 minus 5 4, which would give you a wrong answer. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Again this 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 gives 4. 9 minus 4 gives 5 and 9 minus 7 gives 2. So the answer is 00 5 4 7 99 4 5 2. Simply you can omit these 2 zeros because the preceding zeros matters but the starting zeros doesn't matter. So 2 0 is different from 0 2. You can remove this 0 and the value doesn't change, but you remove this 0, the value will change. So we can remove these zeros. Simply I remove them and this is my answer. So this is the thing what I was trying to explain you, and I hope you got it very well. So please apply this in your examinations. This would be very helpful in competitive examinations, like in school you will be writing national talent hunts and all. So there it would be very helpful, or if you are preparing for some IITs or something, then also it is helpful to you. So I'll give you an example and let's see if you could solve that. I'll take something larger this time. So 5 3 1 6 7 8 and let's see by doing it with the 0. So this is our given problem. So you can observe one thing, that you have a last digit as zeros. If you had numbers from 1 to 9, simply you removed something and you got like 8 or 7 depending on this given number, but here you have a 0. So what do you do? Consider this 2 digits and remove 1 from this. So what do you get? 5. In the first step, after removing 1 you will get a 5 3 1 6. After 70 you are removing 1, it will land up at 69. So whenever you remove 1 from 0, write it as 9 basically and decrease the number from here. Again subtracting these would give 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 3 is, 9 minus 6 is 3 and again 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0. So combining these two would give me 5 3, 1 6, 6 9, 4 6, 8, 3 and 0. So this is the next problem. This was from type 1. I mean the number of digits here were same, so we didn't add any zeros. And the last problem from type 2, I'll edit this itself. So we'll remove 3 9s and check what would happen, what would be the answer. You first solve the problems and then check with my answer, so that you can also learn from this and you'll get a confidence that you learned something new today. Simply we are getting bored in this lockdown, so why not learn this, so that it would be helpful and you would be benefited from your teachers, like the strength of your correspondence in your class would be increasing. So moving on to the problem. This is again type 2 because the number of digits are. So this is the problem 5 3 1 into 4 9s. So I have reduced the number from given problem and also reduced 2 9s because simply I want to tell you the example of type 2. So I didn't add many 9s. You can add how many ever 9s you want and please check with your calculator so that you know that you got a correct answer. So what do? Removing 1 from here would give me a 0. That's it now friends. Like if I remove a 1 from 1, I will get a 0. So that, or else you can simply take these 2 digits. What is 31 minus 1? It's a 30. So simply write it as 30. Then what do? The next step is removing 9s. But see that here there are 4 9s and here you are having only 3 digits. So add a 0. I will add a 0 here now. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 3 is 6 and 9 minus 0 is 9. So my answer would be 5 3 0. You can add a 0 here. 9469. Write it as 53094 and 9. So this is my answer. You can remove the 0 now. So I will give you few problems. So now I will be giving you few problems. You need to differentiate between if they are belonging to type 1 or type 2 and solve the answers, and please give the answers in the comment box so that I will verify and check whether you have learned this properly or not, or else you can simply check it in your calculator, and do let me know if you are able to understand the videos or not. So this is one of my question. The first question is 2546 into 9999. So this is my first question. The second question is, I'll write 3 9s and you multiply it with the 8. So 8 into 3 9s. Third question is 76 into 99. And the fourth question is, this is something larger. Don't feel this as hectic. This is also easy, friends. 234. Okay, these are the 4 problems. Please solve this on your own and do let me know in the comment box. Please share this with your friends and family so that they can also learn these concepts and understand this very well. This would surely be helpful to you, and I hope you are understanding them very well. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.